In the old days, banking used to be a time-consuming business. If you wanted cash, for instance, you had to go to the bank branch, hand over a check to a bank employee, get the token, and wait until the cashier calls your number. All that, thankfully, is a thing of the past. Digital banking has transformed the way things are done. Now all you have to do to get cash is to get to the nearest ATM, use your card, and get cash in under a minute. Moreover, going digital allows you the perfect opportunity to enjoy a paperless banking experience where you no longer need to keep track of your transactions or banking history through physical documents. Digital banking has completely changed the way we bank in today's times. With digital banking, you can transact with higher speed, ease, and convenience. Digital banking is banking done through the digital platform, doing away with all the paperwork like checks, pay-in slips, demand drafts, and so on. It means availability of all banking activities online. Digital banking gives you the luxury of freely accessing and performing all traditional banking activities 24/7 without having to personally go to a bank branch to get your work done. Digital banking can be done either through a laptop, tablet, or your mobile phone. Imagine a cloud. Now on that cloud, draw a bank with your account details and money, secured with a big lock. How do you access that? For that, we'd be provided secured credential from your bank to log in via mobile banking or internet banking. As soon as you punch your valid credentials, that big lock on bank opens up. And what's next? It also opens up a bouquet of banking services for you to avail. This is how the security works for digital banking. With the traditional banking, you only need a 4 or 6-digit PIN, but with digital banking, you need a username and password. You can also opt in using your biometrics such as fingerprint and face recognition. Two-way authentication is also an option where you will be sent an OTP every time you log in the account. Digital banking enables consumers to perform banking functions from the comfort of their homes. It is for people who does not want to visit the bank's branch to run a single errand. It also offers convenience. Elaborating on the convenience offered, digital banking lets a user carry out banking work around the clock with 24/7 availability of access to banking functions. One of the biggest drawbacks of traditional banking was the overly placed importance on paper. Banking has become paperless with the development of digital banking as a service. A user can log into their account at any point in time to monitor records. Digital banking allows a user to set up automatic payments for regular utility bills such as electricity, gas, phone, and credit cards. Online shopping has also become a cakewalk with payment channels becoming well integrated with the online shopping portals. Digital banking extending services to remote areas is seemingly a step toward holistic development. With smartphones at affordable prices and internet access in remote areas, the rural population can make the most out of digital banking services.
During the pandemic, limiting physical contact is the #1 priority in every country. And when it comes to the aspect of banking, digital banking replaces in-person interaction, which means less contact with other people. A study conducted by Accenture 2020 Global Banking Consumer Study, out of 47,000 consumers globally, 35% stated that they prefer video call conversations than physical interaction to their bank. A report by Wells Fargo states that online wire transfer has 50% growth and 35% increase in remote check deposits. With the appearance of branchless banking services like GCash and PayMaya, people are now more often to digital banking, and with the COVID-19 protocol, which includes cashless payments, people were able to try sending money through online bank transfers and online payments, in which a lot were happy with the convenience it offers. In a report by FinTech Philippines using Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas as a source, there was a rapid growth of people using and having e-money accounts in 2020, which is also the year when the pandemic started. As a way to survive the pandemic, entrepreneurs brought their market into the online world and enter online selling, whereas payment methods consist mostly of online payments like bank transfer and GCash send money. Negative side of digital banking. Although online banking security keeps on being updated for better performance, security and identity theft concerns are one of the reasons why many are still dubious when it comes to online banking. Aside from hackers, there are also scammers who take advantage of people with less knowledge when it comes to digital banking. For example, to access your online account, you will need an OTP or the one-time password. Scammers will oftenly call account holders and act like they are from the bank to ask for the OTP sent by your bank so they could access your account and change its password. Technology and service interruptions are also one of the negative sides of online banking, wherein system stability and efficacy are compromised due to the slow or weak internet service. The app may run slowly or not open at all. Digital banking for a tech savvy person may be easy, but that is not the case for those who are not. It may be difficult for them to understand what to click and what requirements to be filled out, resulting in their transaction to fail or to be received by people other than the recipient. Unlike when going to the bank, employees may assist you in filling out forms to prevent these types of mistakes. In digital banking, you are on your own. Although there are several tutorials on the internet on what to do, sometimes people just don't have the time for that.